How's everybody doing? Welcome to the show. How's everyone? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Where's the Tom tune? Oh, by the way, that music is on my other PC, my older one. There's like, oh my god, there's so many data. I have to get everything to my new PC, so I haven't done it yet. Welcome. How's it going? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mr. Q. Hello. Long now on NQ? Oh my gosh, I don't know. It does seem like no, I don't know. There's no zone on NQ, so we'll go over it, but I would be careful with the longs. But who knows, you know. Veer, hello there. Bill Hohen's in the building. Hello, and again, Camille, good to see you. Market and Mind, hello, good morning. Frequency, good to see you back. Doing great, thank you. How are you guys? How was the Asia session? I feel like it wasn't the best. When I look at the chart and I'm kind of checking, like, I feel like Asia session might not have been the best session so far this year. I mean, what was the range? It wasn't that bad, actually. I mean, on a 1 minute, you could still find some levels. Yeah, there was some decent levels on the 1 minute here. Okay, so not that bad. Because the range is good. I mean, yeah, 77 points, that's not bad, actually. HT Photo, hello there. Let's go, London session. Yeah, good. Yesterday made on funded account 1750 and another 220 and last one eval. But hey, that's really good. On the funded, $1,750 and then 220. That's amazing. On a funded, that's how it's done. Congratulations. That's really nice. I like that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay. I mean, let's look at some levels here, shall we? Or should we? Let's see what can be done here. So far, to me, it seems like NQ is, well, we just took these relatively equal highs here, and we took Asia high, right? So this was Asia high, somewhere here. So that has been taken at 474. We went higher, but what else is here to go for? Nothing on the 15. Nothing on the 5 minute chart. I don't see anything. Yeah, nothing so far. On the downside, well, there's a sell side level here. This would be Asia low, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna put Asia low right there at 375. Yeah, let's go for that. That's a good target so far. Asia low down there. And as for gold, well, I don't think I want to do anything with gold right now, but who knows? Yeah, nothing on gold. Nothing here. Nothing there. Yeah, there's not much. Sorry, but I don't see anything on gold that we could go for. I might just gonna wait for NQ to shift lower. That's not a zone. Yeah, we might have to wait for NQ. I don't know, to I'm looking for some levels, but there's nothing here. To get lower. Yeah, let's wait for the 450 level. Actually, let's get below that 450, and then we will talk about possible shorts until it's going higher. There's nothing here. There's a zone here. Doesn't really count. This was the AM session. Not much here. To the left, there was one zone here which just got tagged. Right there. Okay. So this one. And that's it. That's all we have. So possible shorts, and that's all we have. Nothing more. Well, I don't know what it's going to do, but I'm going to wait with NQ until we get below that 450, and then we can decide what to do. This is not a zone. Yeah, I don't know what's it going to do, but I'm going to wait for shorts. That's it. So I'm not jumping into a short now. I'm not. Is this new flex? I will try to make 5-6K, then make 50%. It's the new flex. Okay. Yeah, you never know. Take out what you can. I don't know. We're gonna wait. If it's gonna go higher, I'm not gonna do anything with NQ. If it's gonna go lower, below that 440, I might try to short for that Asia low at 375 on NQ. But on gold, I'm not gonna do anything. Joklimeister, hello. What's up, Curry Fishbowl? Welcome, Kwong. You took a short at 485. Oh wow. Okay, nice. You took the rejection here on this zone. That's a 1 minute supply zone, by the way. Good. $93. Yeah, that was a nice rejection. Ashu Kumar, hello. Good morning. Welcome. How's it going? How's it going? I'll have to open up the charts on my other screen as well, just to make sure that I checked everything. Okay, all is good. Oh, I know I forgot to do something. Oh, I forgot. I pushed the wrong button here. Sorry. It's yearly open too. Yeah. True. I mean, yeah. Interesting level here. Sonny Varius, hello. Good morning from France. Hey, welcome. Okay, that's fine. Welcome. How's it going? Bearish or bullish? It's so hard to tell. You know, on the 1 hour chart, it feels like it's a bear flag, and we might continue lower. So yeah, good idea. Let's just go over the higher time frames. So hourly chart, it looks like it could be dropping low. I mean, it can pick up more liquidity. I know it can spike higher to the 500s, but overall, I feel like we have this nice swing low with these bearish candles here. Almost managed to go back here and take out these levels. So could be some bearish continuation. But like this here, yesterday in London session did not manage to break Thursday high. I thought it was gonna go, but it didn't. And obviously there was a structure shift at 819 and we dropped. This is the 4 hour chart, by the way, still consolidation, as you can see. The daily chart is definitely in consolidation. Right in the middle. So would not be surprised again if you look at the daily. It's not a bearish engulfing candle, but it went lower, swept liquidity. We had this bearish daily candle yesterday. Now it feels like we can go higher to the mid-level. Wouldn't be surprised. So wouldn't be surprised if we go above the 500. Right? The mid-level of yesterday's daily candle is 621.25. So that would be the consequent encroachment level, which sounds kind of silly. But look at that. We actually tagged that level once earlier. That's why we need to wait a little bit more. True day open. That's basically the New York open, the New York midnight level. That's the New York midnight level. That's the true day open. Yes. Or you can call it however you want. I just call it New York midnight level. I'm not calling it open, but I call it New York midnight. But I know I was watching the daily chart, which is based on the 6 p.m. reset timer. But anyway, you can call it however you like. True day open. Oh my gosh, I have an alert on dollar Swiss. Okay. Sorry, everybody, about the noise. Dollar Swiss, because I'm trading my FTMO account too. I gotta make sure. That everything checks out. Okay, so that was the dollar Swiss. Okay. Yeah, I took a long position on dollar Swiss just to make sure everything checks out. Very small position. Could have taken a bigger position here, but anyway. $1,000 yesterday, 700 plus minus today. What we got? Not much. I mean, if I'm gonna go and zoom in to NQ. It can still go higher, but like my target so far is going to be just a second here. I want to make sure something. Low is 46. Okay. That's not it. We have a very small fair value gap here on the 5 minute. this one. So liquidity has been picked up there. And this is just creating a zone, a demand zone. Could be good for later. So that's a 5-minute demand zone. All right. Does the S&P 500 guide the NASDAQ or the other way around? Oh, that's a good question. Sorry, I was checking some things. Yeah, so as far as S&P 500, I mean, there's a structure shift here. You know what? Maybe. Yeah. The thing is, I think S&P, I mean, ES wants to go to 69.60 right now because that's a supply zone right there on the 15-minute. So as long as it wants to tag that level, which is super close, it's going to pull NQ up as well. And as for other things, well, I don't know. Once we get there to that 69.60, it could be turning around and then going down. Watch out for the mid-level 6, which is the mid-level is going to be somewhere around, yeah, 69.70. If it's going to create some structure and push higher, then I can imagine that it's going to pull NQ. I can imagine that happening. It's possible, pretty much. Hey, Fucos, what's up? Hello. How's it going? Gabor Joreget, good morning. I'm sorry I didn't see you. I have so many tabs opened up on my other screen. I have to make some order here. I have to get everything in order. Something is definitely off here with the charts. What is going on? Something's off with the trading view charts. Okay, I will check this later. Something is not right. Anyway, not the same price as on the terminal anyway. Troy had a great trade from 25 to 72. Let's go. Nice. Yeah, NQ pumping. Let's check it. Oh yeah, nicely going higher. Which is good because this 5-minute demand zone would be great if it would hold for later. If we sweep the highs there, it could be a great target for later. Yeah. Hopefully no drones today, right? Hopefully no drones today. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, NQ still slowly going back up there. Maybe it's gonna completely reprice this zone, and then who knows, maybe it will go back down. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit here. Quick 20 points is always good. What do I mean? No, nothing. It was, I'm just talking about my MetaTrader terminal. The numbers were not exactly the same as on my trading view, but it's only because it's CFD. It's not a big deal. It's normal. Okay, still going higher. Still going higher. And we are having 22 likes and 126 viewers. Thank you so much. And all we need to do is just push it to above 50 likes. Can we all do that, please? Let's push it to above 50 likes while we're waiting here for the London Open. As soon as I get a possible structure shift on the 1 minute, I might want to go short and go for this 5-minute demand zone. But for now, I think it wants to sweep the high of the zone. I mean, the supply zone. Is this a supply zone? Yeah. So this is a 5-minute supply zone. It's not a fair value gap. So yeah. Or is it a 15? Hold on. No, or is it a 3 minute? Oh, it's a 1 minute, sorry. No, it's a 1 minute. How could I forget? Yeah, this is just, so it's not a strong level, yeah. This is what reminded me, yeah, here it is. These are the bullish candles that actually made me think that this could be a very weak supply zone here. But it seems like it's going for it. Moving slowly, yeah. Let's go. Oh, yeah, well, I'm still drinking tea. Oh, well, I need to get some coffee as well. Tea is not strong enough. It's just not strong enough. Okay, what else do we have? Okay. Let's see. Sorry, I'm still kind of trying to trade this MetaTrader account. All right, NQ still have or did not go for the high of the zone, which would be not there. Okay, we need to put it right there. That would be possible buy side at 502. I don't know if it will go for it or not. But we shall see. Yeah, after tea. After the tea, we need coffee. And we are having 37 likes. Amazing. Can we get to above 50? 13 more likes, everyone. Thank you, thank you. 13 more. That's all we need. Yeah, gold seemingly wants to go higher, which is okay. All right, what else do we have? Thirty more minutes until London Open, a little bit more than 30. And it seems like we should be breaking the 500 level any moment. All right, what else do we have? Okay, look at that. It's not going for it. Don't be scared. There's gonna be a rooster any second. No, I just turned it off. Oh, wow, look at this drop. Nice. Now I like this. This is something I like. Okay, now all I need... But actually, maybe I can be super aggressive on this. 3 micros. Do I want to take it with 3 micros? Yeah, why not? Go for 462 for a scalp. I guess I want to. Let's go for 462 for a scalp. And let's go for a buy stop. Of course, you guys don't see it here. Now it's here. Mainly a scalp trade. Let's see how it goes. Oh no, not again. The same thing happened yesterday. Oh, come on. The same exact thing happened yesterday. I can't believe it. Hey, Kevin, what's up? It was a nice entry still, but I just can't hold this trade longer than 97. All right. What a start of the day. I can't believe this. I'm really having a bad series in the London session now. All right, closing this down. Closing down. What a bad start. Terrible start. It's going for 500 now, I'm sure. Amazingly bad start. Well, it was only like 70 bucks or so, that's fine. But yeah, this was such a strong move here that I think it just wants to break that 500. I really thought we're just gonna go down to the 62, pick up some orders, and then go higher. But I just can't trust this. This is not good. Anyway, Yes, I sold there, but I was looking for that 5-minute order block down there. Should have realized that this is just a fake move and it will go. It should be going through 500 anyway. You got destroyed the last 2 days. I haven't got destroyed, but I'm definitely having a losing streak. I'm definitely not having a good momentum this week so far. Especially the London trades now are definitely off. I mean, I was just looking for a quick scalp and it immediately turns around. That's so annoying. So annoying. Anyway, one of the many reasons why I don't like scalping. Let's just break that 500 now. It is what it is. It is what it is. Joe Biden wasn't like, come on, Philcos. Hello, Koopsa. Hello there. Yeah, it was definitely, I was really unlucky by me to take that trade. Anyway, gold is, wow, okay. Look at the gold. Nice little drop here, and we still have 23 minutes. But I can't take a trade on gold. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but it's too late to think about that. All right. Well, if we're going higher, so be it. But I don't know. There's no liquidity sweep. Who knows how far we're going? We still have that, you know, up to the 600 maybe. Starting to feel that that the 600 is going to be the next play. And that's going to be crazy if that happens. This is madness, or is this Sparta? I don't know. Takmoya, hello. I don't know if there's going to be NFP news release, by the way. Until there's no settlement on that funding bill for ICE with Congress or Senate, I don't even know where it's done right now. It seems like government shutdown is going to stay. I'm not in a long position. Actually, I'm waiting for this one to turn to the downside, and we'll see it from there. Going higher. Well, I'm trading since 2000. Well, 21. First payout from preference was in 23. And since 24 summer, I'm getting payouts from trading every month. Well, some months are better, some months are slower. But yeah. Mr. Q is long. Okay, nice. Can we look at the HK50 Hong Kong? Yeah. And I never looked at it, but which one would be the good? Pepperstone, Capital.com, Forex.com, IC Markets, 8cap. I don't know which data provider would be good, but let's just go with Forex.com. Oh, wow. 15-minute. Oh, this is nothing. I thought that that's a zone. We have a gap here, which is kind of promising to go lower. Look at the reaction. Okay, so there's a zone here. A very nice zone. Supply zone up there on the 15-minute. And look at the reaction this morning. Perfect reaction. Absolutely perfect reaction from the zone, which means it's going down, picking up liquidity from this fair value gap. Is it going to go back up there? Who knows? We got to check for lower time frames. Okay, there's nothing here, nothing there. You know, I would still be looking for this market to go higher, but maybe it's going to pick up some liquidity here and then go back up there. This is such a beautiful zone here. It would be a shame just to leave it like that. So obviously, I'm not feeling this market. I'm not trading it. I never did. But it can just go lower a little bit and then, you know, maybe pick up some volatility and then just go higher. Just keep an eye on for that 27 level, because this zone is absolutely great. But yeah, we still have that gap. I mean, I guess that's it. Yeah, this actually swept everything, this drop. So it would be great to see the market go back up there. That's what I think about the situation. Hey, yeah, thank you, Techma. Yeah, I had my ups and downs, and I still have some downs every now and then. But you know, what can we do, right? Part of trading. This is how it goes. Okay, not much here. Yeah, nothing's really moving here. The interesting part is that there is no sign of NQ wants to shift. Cup and handle. Okay, let's see. Oh, it trades like crypto. Oh, I see. You're welcome, Polus. Blew the 150k Eval yesterday. Oh, Romeo. Come on. Oh, sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, that could be frustrating, I know. I know. What a day. I'm just kind of waiting for NQ to drop lower. It's not doing it yet. And by the way, just a quick update, because I'm going to pick a winner today from Twitter. We are still having a Funded Futures Network giveaway. So if you guys would like to participate, I'm going to pick the winner in the New York session. The winner is going to be able to get 2 Funded Futures Network accounts with the BOGO sale. So it's going to be 2 for the winner if you would like to participate. Two chances. We are having 49 likes and 150 viewers. Amazing. Can we get to like 70? So let's just keep the 50% ratio. 70, 75 likes. Can we get there? Somewhere around 70 or 75. That would be great. That would be so amazing. Okay. NQ is still going higher. We still have 12 minutes until London Open. Not much is going on. So yeah, let's keep on waiting. Do 12 more minutes. 12 more minutes. Gold is just not looking good. I don't want to do anything with gold. Could be a slow open here. So far, we grinded up like 80 points, 70-ish. Yeah, like from 43 from 2 a.m. But like overall, since midnight, we have a 70 points range, which is not that bad. Entered 2427 on your evaluation account, been holding since then for NQ. Futuristic times 427. 427. Okay, it's all the way from down here. You're holding a short position. Are you short or long? I guess you're long, right? This was a nice entry then. Beautiful entry, I should say. Beautiful entry. Long, okay. All right. I was like, you're not short, I hope. A beautiful entry. Nice. Yeah, that's really good. NQ is going to hold this area for sure, at least a little bit longer. Exactly. That's the hardest part, by the way, everyone. The hardest part is just wait and not do anything. It really is. 100 billion%. That's the hardest part. Waiting and not doing anything. And then once you waited a lot, sometimes you get to put on some trades out of boredom. Because you're so bored, you need to put on some trades, and I did that many times. I still do it. That's so. And you know, then it hits the stop loss. It's just, it's not a good feeling. It definitely is not a good feeling. Still have a couple of minutes here. I really hope that London Open can turn this around. If not, we're just gonna sit on the sidelines and watch price action as it goes higher, or the market, sorry. Hey Major, what's up? Also, when trade appears after 6 hours of waiting, oh yes, Camille. When finally you got the trade, it appears after hours and hours of waiting, you start to second guess yourself, like, is this really the one? Should I take it? Should I not? Exactly, the dopamine hit. Yeah. And yeah. And then you decide not to put on the trade because you feel safer by not putting on a trade, because you know you were holding so long. By not putting on a trade, why screw up everything now, right? And you're not putting on the trade that you were waiting for, and then the trade goes to your favor, to that direction, and then everything starts to go sideways. Oh my gosh, that's such a big negative spiral there, and your whole mindset is going to be totally messed up. That I really hate that. I really do. And in this case, I mean, I wish I could do something, but I really can't. And the problem with gold, actually, one more look at gold. Yeah. I mean, no target on gold, so I'm not even interested, not the slightest bit, to trade gold. I'd like to. Would be great. But there's nothing. There is just nothing. So we're gonna wait for NQ. That is what we can do. And just a quick check, 57 likes. Thank you so much. 163 viewers, which means can we get to 80? Can we get to 80 likes? Let's see it. Can we get to 80 likes? That's all we need. A little bit more than 3 minutes to go until London Open. What a slow market today, by the way, right? I mean, yes, I know it moved a little bit, but by the way, there's just no volume. Absolutely zero. Absolutely nothing. Bum, 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 bum. Oh man, less than, okay, now it's only 1 minute until market open. What's it gonna be, I wonder? Dun-dun, dun-dun. All right, here we go. 3 seconds. All right, here's the London Open. Nothing's going on so far. Okay. No movement, nothing special. Even the currencies are not moving. So. What a boring session. It is what it is. I think so too. Yeah, people just got tired off yesterday. Stop loss was sort of set up, but you missed 2 times. Oh, well, it happens. Frequency. Don't worry about it. Everyone got toasted yesterday. Well, it could be. Yeah. Could be the case. Albert, hello there. Doing great and just kind of boring price action, you know. Just waiting, sitting, not doing anything, trying to figure out what to do with this market. But so far, not much is going on. No trades. I mean, I had one small stop, but I mean, I closed it manually. I'm telling you, this week is a rough start for me. You lost your password for Twitter, so I tell you, here's what I need to accounts. I need to practice. Okay, Paulus. Okay. Thank you for the comment. I copy that. All right, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna save it. I don't know, because Grok is going to pick the comments from the giveaway, but I'll be putting it down. But thank you. I will try to figure out a way, but I don't think that's gonna work without Twitter, but I'll think about it. I don't trade the German index, Warren. Yeah, first week of the month, it could be a little bit, you know. Okay, here we go. Bit of a drop. A little bit interested to chase it, to be honest. Go down to that 61. Or 62. Wow, I guess I'm late. Maybe. Is this gonna reprice that? I mean, are we gonna tag that zone or what? I feel like I'm gonna be late on this. It's just gonna tag it without me. I can't believe this. Well, whatever, I guess. Opening is 61.25. Oh my gosh, I missed my move there. It's so frustrating, guys. It's so frustrating because I took a short from here to scalp it down. You guys remember? This was my trade earlier. And now look at that. Unfreaking believable. Unfreaking believable. I just can't believe it. I really can't. I can't. I can't. Trading Star, sorry, did I say hello? I'm sorry, good morning. Rocket douchebag Matt? No, why would you say that? Trading Star Rocket Scooter. What? What was the question? Matt yesterday, oh, negative 85k. He was down 85k. Oh, wow. That's not a small amount. I would say. I missed that line. Sorry. Look at this. I missed my move. I totally missed my opportunity here. Now I feel the FOMO. I don't know what's up with London right now, but this was definitely, you know what? It could be a fake out, you know, picked up liquidity and now going higher. The thing is, I missed my chance. I mean, I got stopped out earlier and now it went down there. What can I do, right? Good morning, good morning. Gambling Matt. I don't know his trading style, so I'm not following him on a daily basis, so I don't know his trading style. That's the thing. I do know he trades on his own platform, I think, right? And a bit of a different approach for the markets, which is I don't know. I don't know his style. That's it. But he knows a lot about numbers, I guess. He loses and it's never his fault. I'm not following his results. He never hides his losses. I know. I didn't say anything about Matt. I didn't say. I said I don't know how he's trading. I don't. I'm not familiar with his trading strategy. That's all I know. Pound dollar is just skyrocketed. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe we had some news. Who knows? Says in play. Let's just wait a little bit more. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. This is getting a little bit ugly here. Are we gonna go higher or what? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I think I gotta look at the higher time frames. Like, how far does this thing want to go? Pound went up there, which is okay. Swiss is holding. So dollar is kind of holding the area. Good morning, Norbert. Hello. The 5-minute actually looks like still as a possible sell. We shifted structure here. Let me get this off. We shifted structure here, picked up liquidity from up there. Could be going lower, might be, not sure. I feel like this is not going to be a real sell move. German index is going. And it could be a buy opportunity, maybe. Who knows? Rocket Scooter guy also talks bad about about Kellyanne. But like Tom here, he never talks bad about people. He owns his, but he explains mistakes. Oh, thank you, Peach Butt. I don't know. I'm not following his streams, but so I can't. By the way, like, I don't want to comment on any other streamer or trader, especially not bad things. I'm gonna stay in my lane. I know I'm not a guru. I know I'm not making 100K per day, and I know I'm not posting 100K per day days or whatever. You know, I'm gonna stay in my lane, and that's it. So I keep my comments, and I don't even want to, by the way. So I'm not following the. I mean, I'm in the drama on social media or whatever goes on. Gotta keep myself out of it. Hey, Dominic, what's up? How's it going? He shit on trade day, and Kellyanne made video about it, and then he reported to YouTube like, oh. You see, this is why I'm not keeping track with these things. I'm holding a short from yesterday, 15 candle when I said, oh, you're holding a short. 996. Oh my gosh. Nice. That's nice. Yeah, sure. No one better. Yeah. Thank you, Camille. Anna Rose, hello. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's it going? Thanks for joining the stream. Well, so far NQ is stuck here. There's no sign of any movement here. I used to watch a little bit MyFunded TV, but once he comes to this, you bounce. No. Oh. Smart, not smart. More reason not to be on Twitter or Instagram. I'm just trying not to be, you know, participate in any drama there. There's some sort of competition on TradingView called The Leap. Have you looked into that? I haven't looked into it. I heard about it, but I didn't look into it. Yeah, I haven't looked into it. Bum, ba-da, ba-da, bum. Look at this congestion on NQ. It's so terrible. Holidays, politics about this country. Any talking? Yeah, thank you. Been trading DEX futures on it because it's really the only thing. Oh, nice. Well, yeah, I mean, if you can have some good trades on DEX there, then yeah, go for it. Definitely go for it. Look at this price action here. Totally congested into this 490 area. Wow. 1 minute looks so ugly here. If you live, no, Peter. No, I think I was just watching too much movies. I never lived in the States or anywhere like that. I don't think there's any data. I mean, as far as I know, because of government shutdown, some data could be withheld. They canceled NFP, I think. Yeah, I think they can. Yeah, there you go. They canceled the NFP report. So far, I'm not sure. The only thing it says is ADP non-farm employment change. I don't know if they're going to release it. So, but that's going to be later, right? So we'll see. We shall see. Wedge pattern, yeah. Looks a little bit ugly. Gonna drop it like it's hot. Maybe. Wow, look at that. Bit of a movement finally. We love you, but we don't like arrogant wannabes. It doesn't matter you ride a scooter or fly a jet. I never wanted to be a wannabe or arrogant. Sometimes I do lose my mind. I know. Sometimes when it comes down to Hungarian politics, I tend to lose my mind. But it's only because I see a lot of bad things happening in my country. But otherwise, I try to keep everything intact. Oh my God, look at this. I couldn't get a sell on this anyway, even if I wanted to. Target could be the low end of the 5-minute demand zone. But it's like, eh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Camille. Oh my gosh.
Much love for Tom. Do one Apex Eval giveaway using best discount code TOMSABO and like the stream.
Well, it seems like we're gonna do a giveaway sponsored by Camille here. Oh my gosh. All right. You know what? This is amazing. Let's do it. because today is the final day of Apex and Bulenox 90% sale. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it, Camille. Thank you so much in the name of the community for this generous contribution. This is really amazing. Let me set this up. Let me set this up. And you know what? It's not gonna be 35. Let's make it to $50, okay? Actually, you know what? Let's make it to $60. $60. $60. Wow, what can we buy on $60? Well, we can buy Bulenox and Apex accounts. You can buy at least one Bulenox and one Apex accounts on 60, right? Hold on. I gotta check the price. How much is the price right now? Let's check the price. So option one account, $19.25. And hold on. $19. Okay, so yeah. So until, what is going on? Another one. But I'm doing it. No, not you. I'm paying. It's coming, man.
One more then.
Oh my God, look at this guy. What is happening? Just a second. Hold on. Camille, man, what is... Okay. Just a second. Just a second. Oh my God, you shouldn't have... Okay, that is actually, as I'm seeing it, that's almost 53 United States dollar. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do it like this. You gave $53. I'm gonna give another, so let's make it $100. Okay, so that's going to be $250. How about that? So how about that? $250. If that's good. Just a second. I'm gonna set. I'm setting up. This is gonna be in the chat. Spin the wheel. I know. I know. I checked it. I wanted to make sure. Australian dollar. And thank you so much in the name of the community. I know. That is why $50 and that's 85 Australian dollar. 85. No, sorry. That's more. Actually, 85 Australian. There is $60. Okay, then you know what? I'm gonna give another 60. So that's $120. Camille gave 60 United States dollars. I'm gonna give another $60. All right, that is $120, which is gonna be 60 and 60. So two winners, 60 and another 60. All right. Let me set this up. Let me set up the giveaway. Just a second. It's I have to customize everything. Okay. All right, it started. Exclamation mark cash if you want to enter the give. I hope it works. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, no. Hold on. Stop. It's not working. It's not working. Hold on. Stop. There's an issue. There's a problem. It seems like CloudBot is not connecting. So if you look at the... No, stop. It's not working. If you see, CloudBot is not going. It's not putting in the... I mean, Streamlabs is not active in the chat. So hold on. I have to restart something here. Hold on. inactive, active. It seems like that Streamlabs is not in the chat. If Streamlabs is not in the chat, it's not active on the chat, I can't do it. Hold on. Yeah, I just realized the duck race. I can do that was on my other computer. By the time I install it, it's gonna be like another 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to restart it and start. Okay, now it started. There you go. Exclamation mark cash. Now it's working. Streamlabs was not connecting to the stream. Now it's connected. So now you can type in exclamation mark cash 2 times $60. 2 times $60 cash giveaway. That means it's going to be cash, so you can spend it to whatever you want. All right, you can spend it to whatever you want to spend it. You don't have to buy evaluation accounts. If you want to go out and buy some meal at McDonald's or whatever, it's up to you, or Burger King, or you want to fill up the car with some gas, fuel, whatever, petrol. You want to go out to the movies, exclamation mark cash. You need to type in an exclamation mark cash. So it's up to you what you spend it on. There's going to be 2 winners, sponsored by Camille and myself. 2 times $60. Thank you. Okay. What a crash here on NQ, right? So I'm gonna put the wrong punctuation. Really? Okay. Okay. Exclamation mark cash and 2 times $60. Let me yeah, I was surprised like why Streamlabs was not connecting to the chat, but now it's connected. I mean, the timers were not working, but now it's okay. Okay, so giveaway. We have 34 participants already. Here you go. To win, all you have to do is type in exclamation mark cash. Are we only having 34? I have to update this. It's only 34. Something is off. Something is off, guys. Streamlabs is not working correctly. Something is, listen, look at this. We only have 34 tickets. It's not updating. No, it's not about that. It should be able to, so it's not about the spamming, but something is off with Streamlabs. Something is really off with Streamlabs. Yeah. I can restart, but I don't know if, okay. Should we restart and try again? Because look at that. It's just not, okay. We can restart, guys, if you want to. We still have time. But something is way off. Streamlabs is not updating. I can refresh the page. It's not updating. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna cancel this. And let's start the giveaway again. Actually, you know what? No. Yeah, it's not even appearing in the chat. Now, if I turn it off here, it says active. Now it says inactive, but it was inactive before. If I turn it on, now it says active again. So I started again. Okay, now it started again. Okay, now you guys saw the Streamlabs bot in the chat, so it's actually seemed to be working. Okay, 9 tickets already. Okay, 21 tickets. It seemed to be working now. 21 tickets. 36. Okay. 36 tickets. No, something is up, guys. I'm sorry. I know we have more tickets and it's stuck at 36. I think it's an issue with the website or something. Oh my gosh. What should we do? I can't do the marbles things. Streamlabs just pooped the bed. It's not registering the tickets. I can do one more thing, but I have to restart the stream. So I have to do a stream restart. That's the thing I can do. Sohail, hello there. So if you guys want it, I can restart the stream, but that's not going to be a guarantee that we're going to make it. Do you guys want to restart the stream? So give me 2 minutes and I will try to update and we'll see. How about that? Okay. Maybe run. No. Random number is never a good thing because some people are going to pick the same number. Okay. I'm going to restart the stream. All right, everybody? All right. Stick around for 2 minutes or 3 and I'm restarting. Just a second.